Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download Roblox Studio on your computer or laptop. So let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser and go to the Roblox website. Make sure you are signed in to your Roblox account before continuing. Once you're logged in, click on the Create option located in the top navigation menu. This will take you to the Roblox Creator page where you can access Roblox Studio. On the page, look for the option to start creating experiences and click the Launch Studio button. If Roblox Studio is not already installed on your computer, you will be prompted to download it. Click Download Studio and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps to install Roblox Studio on your PC or laptop. After the installation is complete, you can sign in using your Roblox account through your browser or directly within Roblox Studio. Once logged in, Roblox Studio will open and you'll be able to create your own games, design maps, build experiences, and publish them to Roblox. This is the official tool used by Roblox developers to create and manage games on the platform. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.